Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to create a knockout text effect. First of all, we will need an image. I have already placed it here. Then we will create a rectangle with the help of rectangle tool. Then we will select a type tool and will type some text here. Now we will adjust it here. Now we will right click on the text and select the create outlines. Now we will copy the text. We will again select the text and we'll go to Pathfinder, where we will choose the minus front option. If you have not found the Pathfinder here, then you can find it in the Windows menu. Now we will go to edit and we'll paste the text here. Now we will reduce its opacity here. Now we will select all of these and we'll group together. Then we can easily move it. Viewers, you can see that we have successfully created a knockout text effects. If you have not subscribed our channel, then click on the subscribe button now.